G'day, this is Kieran. Today we're going to be cracking open the Catholic Women's League of Australia cookbook from 1985. Going to be making Christmas rum balls. Very simple, no baking required, easy peasy and delicious. Rum balls, very easy to make, delicious stuff, especially around Christmas time, very festive. So what we need, the ingredients: 250 grams of sweet biscuits. I'm going with Arnott's Milk Arrowroots. Rum, the star of the show. For the rum, it's 115 millilitres. Condensed milk, one standard can. You'll find the standard can is 395 grams. So one of those. Coconut. Now this is desiccated coconut. I like to use this particular type of coconut. 65 grams of coconut, and off you go. And finally, a little bit of cocoa. This is 18 grams of cocoa. First step is to get your biscuits, and I'm going to put them into a bag. Seal your bag up. Then we're going to get a rolling pin and we're just going to go to town on it. Break them all up. In a large bowl, we're going to be combining all of our ingredients. In go the biscuits, coconut, cocoa, sweetened condensed milk, and of course the all-important rum. Stir it together with your trusty wooden spoon. Now it should be fairly wet once it comes together, but that's okay because we're going to form it into some balls and roll them around in some additional coconut. Now with rolling out your balls, what you can do as a little tip is refrigerate what you've mixed up. That'll make it easier to work into balls, which you would then roll around in some coconut and then place on your tray, which you would then refrigerate so it sets and hardens up. As you can see, after just 30 minutes in the fridge, you can really work with this dough. Well, it's not dough, you know, it's essentially the finished product. So yeah, little tip as well, use your hands, clean hands, but you can use a wet hand to help to get out the cold rum ball mixture. So let's just make up the rum balls. Rum balls done. So mine are pretty large. You might prefer some smaller rum balls, but I do like a big rum ball. So let's give it a bit of a taste. And I do hope you try it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and all the rest. That's good.